Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Virgin Mobile. My name is Peter, and to properly address you, may I have your name please?
Gerald?
Hi Gerald, how may I assist you today?
Yes, I am a new subscriber to this bundle you guys offer called Big Bundle that should cost £29.99 per month. But my first billing invoice show that I have to pay £76.99. Can you please explain why this is so much higher than what you guys are offering?
I apologize about that Gerald. I totally understand your part. To fully assist you with your concern, may I have please your account number?
4242 4201 2039.
Thank you so much. Kindly give me 2 to 3 minutes to check your account.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, Gerald. Upon checking your account, you do have some extra charges for this month. Base price of the bundle you avail is £29.99, which includes fiber broadband, TV channels, phone calls for UK landlines, Virgin mobile phones, and phones that registered with 0870 numbers. Unfortunately for your account, our system detects calls to different country which cause to charge you extra £12. Then the other £35 is for the setup fee.
£12 for outside that country calls? This might be my daughter calling her friends.
Yes, that might be it. Make sure to only call UK landlines, Virgin mobiles, and mobiles registered with 0870 numbers for you guys to enjoy the £29.99 bundle.
For the setup fee, is this a one-time payment only?
Yes, sir. We will only charge the setup fee for the first month of your bill. You won't be charged again by next month.
Great. Thanks, Peter, for helping me figure this out.
It's my pleasure to help you, sir. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That should be it. Thank you again, Peter.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling Virgin Mobile. You have a wonderful day ahead, Gerald.
You too. Thanks.